Got to start with. I know y'all gonna hate because they don't want to patch it right there.
I know, right? That's all right. So got a hole right there.
We got a buffer wheel. So what I did is I cleaned the inside first. Got out any grease or anything that was in there. Is why I sprayed brake cleaner in there and wiped it out. I'm just gonna blow out any grease. Alright. See if I can get this tool in there. Getting rid of the ribs. It's got to be smooth. Do a little more up top.
All right.
Yes, that's fresh, clean rubber.
Try to get it patched.
That's what I was looking for. I was wondering where it was. I had it in the thing. This is the patch we're gonna run. Yeah, we're gonna run the round. We had that one. But we're gonna run the rectangle.
Rectangle.
Be tacky when you put that on, not greasy or dirty or contaminated. It needs to be, the surface needs to be clean or your patch is gonna fail. Even this, you're not supposed to touch. You don't touch the blue part of it.
Oh wow.
So watch when I put it on. And these are designed to go a certain way. They have to run.
Oh, okay.
Wide ways. They can't be like that. I mean, they can, but they're designed to work the other way.
Okay.
You do however you want it, I guess. But we know the damage is right there, so stick that on. Pull that off. Push it down. This will work out any imperfections and bubbles and stuff, and make sure that it sticks good to the. And that stuff will stick really strong.
Wow.
My trash can.
Well, your trash can. Oh, yeah.
I emptied it and left it over there.
Oh. So Definition of DIY. Yeah. So Roy had a tire shop at one time. You know, that's how he knows how to, do stuff like that. So he learns something new every day, like I said.
I used to have a service truck and everything.
Dang.
But it's hard to get business.
Yes. Yes.
You got Tire Kingdom, and they have fleets of company trucks that they use. You know, they got big money they spend.
Oh yeah.
I had my truck, and they would call me. But the only reason they call me is because they couldn't get Tire Kingdom or whatever out.
Yeah, Big T tire and all that.
Yeah. So I would go out there and I would fix tractor tires, semi tires, whatever.
Okay.
Heavy.
Going out the rubber. Oh yeah. Easy peasy. Got it. Damn.
Yeah, 40.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Yeah. There you go. And the wheel is on. Or the tire. Or the whole wheel, yeah. And she's going to work. Alright, there's E-bike woman. Job well done.